Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G72 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and here if you want to add some icons or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon. And now let's scroll here down and we can see here that all of these icons, they are invisible. So if you want to add one from these icons, you should hold and drag the icon just to the up section. Just by the same way you can add all of these icons if you want. Just to remove the icons from here, we should hold and just drag it by the same way, and to change their positions by the same way we should just hold it and then drag it. To save the changes, just click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.